guys, so I wanted to start today by touching base with kind of a new way for you to think about rational numbers, okay? Yesterday we did our circle diagram. Today I want to show it to you in a different way, and hopefully whichever way best helps you, you can run with, okay? So let's title our notes page Rational Numbers again. And I want you to draw a number line, and I'm really only asking you to go to +5 and -5, but go ahead and draw it all the way across. I only went to 4, so that's fine too. Give you a second to get yours finished. All right. So we are going to look at this a different way. If you don't have a few colors, go ahead and pull out a few colors. We're going to need about 3 colors just so we can kind of have it color-coded here. So we give you a second to do that. All right, so if you're not ready yet, go ahead and pause the video. But we're going to start by talking about whole numbers. So this time we're looking at a number line. I want you to circle your whole number. So all the way from 0 to +4, or if you went to 5, that's fine. And label those whole numbers. Okay, so your whole numbers are all positive numbers. Everything from 0 up on a number line. Okay, those are your whole numbers. Now, next, let's talk integers. Go ahead and with another color, circle every number you have on your number line, including those whole numbers. Those are your integers. And remember, integers are negatives and positives. Negative and positive whole numbers. Those are your integers. Okay? Now, take your last color, and first I want you to circle this entire thing. Those are your rational numbers. So notice, whole numbers are included, integers are included, but the other thing that's included in this is everything in between these tick marks. So for example, -2.5 is a rational number. 1/2 is a rational number. 2 and 1/2 is a rational number. 3.5 is a rational number. So your rational numbers include every single number and everything in between these whole and integer numbers, okay? So hopefully that visual helps you maybe a little bit more if you were struggling yesterday. The last thing that I want you to do is down here on the bottom, I'm going to give you a little diagram that I thought was pretty helpful, okay? So we're going to make a little flow chart, okay? First, I want you to write, is it used for counting? Now we're going to draw a box around that. Okay. Draw an arrow. If the answer is yes, that number is whole. It's an integer. And it's rational. So think about 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up. That means it's whole, integer, and rational. But if the answer is no, then we have to keep moving. Is it the opposite of a counting number? So -1, -2, -3. If yes, then it is an integer and it's rational. Because remember, if you look back up at your number line, all of your integers are included in your rational, but your integers are not included in your whole numbers because it's negative, okay? The last question is, can it be written as a fraction? An example would be 3/1, or we could say -3/1, okay? If yes, then it is rational. So that chart should hopefully also help you just see how we determine the classification for a number. And we're done with our notes, so go ahead and keep moving on your Google form.